How to fix Snapchat message waiting to send problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat message waiting to send problem. So guys, see here my message in a waiting. So what you have to do is first of all you have to make sure that your internet connection is on. You have to check it. Oh shit, my net is off, so you have to on this. And then if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is you have to go to your Google Play Store and then just search for VPN, and you can see here Turbo VPN. Just download this, install it, and then after installing this you have to go back to your menu. So here is it. It has been installed, so just click this, just go inside the apps and click to tap to connect. So it is on connecting process, wait for a while. Yeah, it is connected, and then you can go to your Snapchat and you can send a message here. So it will work. So the third step is what you have to do is please check your Snapchat application that it is updated or not. You go to Google Play Store and you can check here Snapchat. So just check it out and see. Friends, I don't have anything to do. They are not asking for an update to me. So if they are asking an update, you have to update it and then go back and restart your phone and reopen the application. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.